Embark on a mesmerizing culinary adventure through Thailand's vibrant street food scene, where every corner unveils a treasure trove of delectable treats. Join us as we delve into the heart of one of Thailand's largest temple festivals, where the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of freshly prepared dishes from all corners of the country and beyond. Wander through the bustling lanes, captivated by the vibrant sights and sounds of sizzling woks, steaming pots, and the lively chatter of food enthusiasts. Indulge in the iconic flavors of pad thai, the refreshing tang of som tam, the rich creamy goodness of khao soi, and the irresistible sweetness of mango sticky rice. But Thailand's street food is not just about the flavors, it's about the experience. Witness the artistry of skilled vendors as they transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces, their passion for food evident in every dish. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere where the vibrant energy of the festival pulsates through every bite. As you savor each morsel, you'll discover why Thailand has become the most visited country for street food enthusiasts worldwide. It's a place where the culinary traditions of a rich and diverse culture come alive, where every dish is a testament to the ingenuity and passion of Thai cuisine. So come hungry, come curious, and prepare to be amazed by the culinary wonders that await you in Thailand's street food paradise. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mouth-watering adventures.